Hello, it's me, Kier, and I'm here to discuss to you the process that um, I went through to develop the website. It's called PinoyMovies.com, which is my term requirement for my course. So I'll start off with the description of the website. So Pinoy Movies is a website, particularly a web app wherein users can stream movies, films, and TV shows that are made by Filipino filmmakers. So the primary purpose of the website would be to reach out to the Filipinos in different countries who don't have access to local TV so that they can watch their favorite, we call it teleserie or movies that became popular in the Philippines. So the target market for the website would be again families, children, adults who are living in different countries. Because again they don't have access to the Filipino TV shows. Now for the business strategy, I will walk you through first. I will show you first the process that I went through to create the website, and I'll show you that to you through the Trello, which is my project management board. So I started with doing the research for the concepts that involve subscription and purchase model, because we have to decide if the service would be on a subscription or a purchase basis. And then once the model is identified, I went on and researched on the company profile and the services that it might offer. So I've decided for this project that it would be a streaming and a download service. And then after that, I looked for similar websites or similar applications that offer the same service. And I found Netflix and Disney Plus to be the closest websites to offer the same service. And then I went on and do the design phase, which I started with creating the sitemap. So it's basically a rough sketch of how I want the website to look like. And then after that, I created the high fidelity prototype with Adobe XD. And once the prototype was finished, I asked some potential users, two potential users, to test the product. And then based on their recommendation, I developed the actual responsive website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And then once it's finished, I uploaded it in GitHub and asked the potential users to test it again. And that will be the basis of review, modifications, and iteration of the actual product. And then after that, I reflected on how important project management is for this project. Also, I kind of looked into evaluating how I got on with the testing. So it's basically looking into the process and evaluating how the development process has been for me as a new designer. And then I went ahead and made the presentation and all the materials needed for presenting the product. So after researching on the appropriate business model for this project, we've decided that we will use the subscription based model, just because Netflix and Disney Plus is doing the same, and it's the most appropriate business model for this kind of service. So we decided that users would pay $8.99 per month for the subscription. And after successful payment, they would have access to all the Filipino film and TV show library. It will be a web application, although in the future, if the business does well in the market, we would probably shift to a native app. And it will be responsive to different screen sizes, desktop, tablet, and mobile. I did a little market comparison between Netflix and Disney Plus, which are the direct competitors of this service. And I found out that Netflix is actually more expensive than Disney Plus, probably because Netflix has a wide selection of contents, and Disney Plus has only a limited library. It only involves Disney movies, Pixar, and National Geographic films or shows. Both products come in a native app in a web app platform, and they can be accessed on different devices, laptops, tablets, and mobile phones. The only advantage of Netflix would be that, again, it has a wide range of content selection, and it's available in different locations in the world. Disney Plus can only be accessed in specific countries, unlike Netflix. The key technologies I used for building the website would be CSS Flexbox for responsiveness. I use some JavaScript libraries, and again, it's an SaaS model, or software as a service model. Now I will do a live demo of the website. So once you enter the domain, which is pinoymovies.com, you will be routed to the homepage or the landing page, and then at the very top you will see login, because since this is a subscription service, I want the customers to be able to access their account in immediately once they access the website. And then down below you will see a subscribe button, which will be part of the hero image and the landing page. And as you scroll down, you'll see the description of the website with images. And then you'll see another sign up sign up button. And then down below, you'll see the process and a contact us button. So the feedback that I got from the users would be to add more navigation options at the very top, so that they have access to those pages immediately once they see the website. But otherwise, they like the landing page. When you click subscribe, it will direct you to the sign up form. And the comments that I got from the users for this is the security of the website, of the page, because they're going to enter their card details. So they want the website to be more secured. Up top, you'll see the login button. We'll access that now. So customers will be asked to type in their email address and their password. And there's a checkbox labeled show password, so that customers can see their password while they type it in the space for ease of use. And the last page would be the contact us button, which will route them to a contact form. So for now, it's the website is a 3-page website, but I'm planning to add more as we go along. So that will be it for my presentation. I hope you like the website, and I'm open to any queries and any comments about the project. Thank you very much.